Alright, Thursday's objective is I can review all questions regarding percentages. The question says, last year 950 people attended a town's annual parade. This year 1,520 people attended. What was the percent increase in attendance from last year to this year? So this is a percent change question. So percent change, the formula is change over the original is equal to percent over 100. So the change, how we find that, is we have to subtract this year, 1,520, minus last year, 950. And that will give us 570. So that represents the change. So 570 over the original. So the original is where it started. So last year comes before this year. So last year would be here, or 950, and then x is over 100. Sorry, that should be x because we're always looking for the percent. Then we cross multiply, and when you divide 57,000 divided by 950, you get x is equal to 60%, which is letter C. Friday's objective. I can review all questions regarding percentages. Again, so nothing really to do on Fridays, just kind of catch up from anything you missed this week and hand in your warm-up, or turn it in. So the original selling price of a share of stock was $D, so represented by the variable D. The selling price for a share of the same stock at a later date was represented by the expression 1.15 times 0.95 times D, which description could explain what happened to the price of the share of stock. So we have to think about this one first. So 0.95 times D. So where did the 0.95 come from? That came from subtracting, because it's less than 1. 1 minus what would give us 0.95? That 1 minus number would be 0.05. So that is our percentage, but of course written as a percentage would be 5%. Because we're subtracting, that is a mark down. So it's decreasing by 5%. So right away I'm going to cross off B and D. Then we have the 1.15. So since it's bigger than 1, we know we added 1. So 1 plus what gives me 1.15, and that is 0.15, and that as a percent is 15%. So because it's bigger than 1 and we added, it would be increasing by 15%, and that would give us letter C.